Continuing our theme with Edgewater condos, which if you've been following, you may have noticed the amount of property tours we've created in the Edgewater neighborhood. So many, in fact, that one would start to get the impression that I'm being sponsored. But rest assured, I am definitely not. Edgewater is just a really great place to live. It's also quite popular on the channel, so why not continue to give the people what they want? Cue today's property tour video of a 1-bed, 2-bath plus den corner unit at Biscayne Beach. And with a description like that, how can you not stick around to the end of the video to see where all of that gets you or what it even means for that matter? Now, Biscayne Beach may be a familiar location to some of you out there, and it is definitely one of my favorite condos in Edgewater. There's so much to love about this building. It was built in 2017, and the amenities here are pretty ridiculous. I mean, they literally brought the beach to you at the amenity deck. It comes complete with real sand, as opposed to fake sand, I guess. I don't know where I was going with that, but it comes with sand and lounge chairs with a panoramic view of the bay, and it just really gives you that beachy feel, all from the comfort of the condo's common area, surprisingly. Unique to say the least, so major points won here by Biscayne Beach, but probably the biggest reason we're making this property tour is due largely in part to the layout. It's a corner unit, so it brings with it large floor-to-ceiling glass windows to replace those traditional walls where they would otherwise be, thus completely opening up the space and immersing the resident, if you will, with amazing views of the bay and the city. This property comes in at 944 square feet, but with those large windows and exposure and natural daylight, it feels much bigger, and it is currently listed for $725,000. Now, one thing that I can confidently say about this condo layout, building, and the amenities, that they're all very unique. So again, stick around to the end of the video. Final housekeeping item before getting started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and like this video. Do all of that so you can be part of the Miami real estate community, so you can stay up to date with my weekly videos. So as always, thanks for sticking around, and now let's get started. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that I earned your trust enough to make you want to subscribe to the channel, as that would mean the world to me. If you're still watching and want to see more, then YouTube thinks you're going to be interested in this video, and I think you're going to be more interested in this. The choice is yours. Either way, I hope to see you around soon. Take care, and God bless.